video, I am going to teach you how to add decimals, okay? Up until 10,000s. But before that, let's review the place value of decimal numbers. So, decimal numbers, they are numbers that is the equivalent of fractions. But the difference is that in decimal numbers, there is a decimal point, okay? Sa fraction kasi, merong fraction bar, yung over. Pero dito, merong decimal point. So, let's review yung place value. So, let's say we have here 123.4567. Say yan. We have that given. So, in decimal numbers, before I move on sa place value ng decimal numbers, dito muna tayo sa left side ng given natin, which is yung whole numbers. Diba sa whole numbers, when we were in in grade 1, on our primary years, ito yung mga tinuturo na basic, diba? So, yung una, this is what we call the ones. Okay? And then, lagi kapag place value, kapag whole number, laging nag-e-end sa S dapat. And then, yung susunod is tens, di ba? Yan yung place value nun eh. And then, this number 1, so hindi na siya kasha, ones, tens, hundreds. Yan yun eh. Kapag whole numbers. Paano naman kapag yung place value ng mga decimal numbers? So, sa decimal numbers, magsa-start tayo sa tens. Okay? So, kung sa whole numbers, ang place value ay nagtatapos dapat lagi sa S, kapag decimal numbers, magtatapos siya dapat lagi sa THS. Okay? Tapos, wala tayong ones sa decimal numbers. So, start tayo sa tens. And then the second one is, rewrite natin. This is your tenths. Okay? Ends with THS. And then the next one is your hundreds. And then the second one is, what's that? So that is thousands. Okay? Be careful with the spelling. And then up until 10,000s lang tayo, no? Hindi na tayo aabot ng 100,000s and millions. So up until 10,000s. So yeah, now that we know the place value in decimals, we can now add decimal numbers, even mixed decimals. Kapag sinabi nating mixed decimals, ibig sabihin may whole number na given. Like this example, this is an example of a mixed decimals, yung may value dito sa whole number na part. Pero when we say 0.12, let's say, this is a decimal. Hindi siya mixed decimal kasi wala siyang whole number na nakasama dito or walang value yung left side ng given. Okay? So, this is an example of a mixed decimal. Para lang din sa fraction yung may whole number na kasama. And this is an example of a not, or this is not a mixed decimal. Okay? So now that you know everything about decimal numbers, how do we add decimal numbers? So in adding decimal numbers, there are 4 things that you need to know. Okay? Nakasulat po dyan sa module nyo. First is to write the given in vertical form. So in vertical form, just like adding dissimilar fractions, diba? Susulat natin siya patayo. The next one is align the numbers with the same place value or position. Dapat yung magkamukha ng place value, tapat-tapat. Okay? Excuse me. And then, if a number has no opposite, assign 0. So I'm going to explain that rule later on. Proceed in adding as if you're adding whole numbers. So let's say, for example, we have example number 1. And then the example is 0.7269. And we will add this to 0.9282. Okay? So as you can see, the given is in horizontal form or yung pahiga siya, di ba? So we cannot add decimals in this form easily. Kaya kailangan yung solution natin, we are going to rewrite this in vertical form. Okay? Sulat natin siya patayo. And then make sure na the numbers that has the same place value or position is opposite with each other or tapat-tapat dapat siya, no? So, I'm going to rewrite the given in vertical form. Yan, 0.7269 plus, pag nagsusulat tayo, start tayo sa umpisa, okay? So, 0.9282. Ayan. So, I made sure na tapat-tapat yung same ng place value. Tapat-tapat yung tens. Ayan, magkatapat sila. Yung ones, kahit wala naman, ones, and then yung tens, and then yung hundreds, okay, yung thousands, and then yung 10,000s. Make sure na dapat tapat-tapat sila for you to be able to solve correctly. Okay? And then next, when we add decimals, of course, just like adding whole numbers, mag-start tayo sa dulo. Hindi pwede dito kasi we are using carrying. Okay? Yung carry 1, of course, nagaganon tayo in addition, di ba? So, kapag dito tayo nag-start, mamamali yung sagot natin. Of course, lagi dapat sa dulo. So, 9 plus 2, that is 11. Carry 1. Okay? And then, 1 plus 6 plus 8, that is 15. Carry 1 again. 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is 5. Okay? 7 plus 9, that is 16. And then we need to carry here. Put carry 1 here on this place. And then don't forget the decimal point. Okay? And then 1 plus 0 plus 0, the answer is 1. Therefore, the sum of the given is 1.6551. Yun na ngayon yung sum niya. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ganun lang mag-add, okay, ng decimal. And then, next given, let's say we have 0.32 plus 0.4787. So, yeah. So, the given is in horizontal form. So, we need to write this in vertical form for us to be able to solve this easily. Okay? So, 0.32 plus 0.4787. So, this is what I mean kanina sa pangatlong rule. Sabi dun sa rule, if a number has no opposite, assign 0. So, as you can see here, ang may katapat lang na numbers or place values na meron lang na tapat-tapat is yung tenths and yung hundreds and yung whole number, of course. How about in this part? So, wala na siyang katapat. Therefore, if that's the case, para hindi kayo malito, assign 0. No? Mag-assume kayo na may 0 dyan. Para lahat sila may katapat. Okay? For you to be able to solve it easily. Kasi mas okay siyang isolve kung lahat may katapat. Nakakalito kasi ng konti, ha? Kapag wala siyang katapat. So, mag-a-assign tayo ng 0. Ayan, okay na. May katapat na ngayon lahat. Therefore, we can now add. So, 0 plus 7, that is 7. 0 plus 8, that is 8. 2 plus 7, that is 9. 3 plus 4, that is 7. Of course, decimal point. Don't forget. And the 0 plus 0, that is 0. Therefore, the sum of example number 2 is 0.7987. That is the sum. Okay? So, limited examples lang tayo kasi sobrang dali lang nitong lesson natin for today. So, we add decimal numbers. How about we will add mixed decimal? So, kapag mixed decimal, magkakaroon na ng value yung whole number na side natin. So, unlike dun sa first two examples natin, 0 yung nasa left side nung given. Ngayon, lagyan natin sila ng whole number para maging mixed decimal. So, let's say, for example, we will add 5,822. So, this is an example of a mixed decimal. Nagkaroon na ng whole number or ng value yung whole number dito, hindi na siya 0. Just like the first two examples. So, plus 4.569. Yan. So, let's say we will add this mixed decimal. So, parehong mixed decimal yung given. So, there's no problem. We need to write the given in vertical form. Okay? So, 5.5822 plus 4.569. So, kailangan tapat-tapat yung same ng place value. Let's check if tapat-tapat. Magkatapat yung whole number, yung ones. Okay? Magkatapat yung tens, yung hundreds, yung thousands. Yung 2, wala siyang katapat. Therefore, we will assign 0 para magkaroon siya ng katapat. Ayan, may katapat na siya. And then, 10,000. Tapat-tapat na sila. Therefore, wala tayong problem. Let's add. Okay? So, 2 plus 0, that is 2 plus 9, that is 11. Okay? Carry 1. 1 plus 8 plus 6, that is 15, if I'm not mistaken, yes. And then carry 1. 1 plus 5 plus 5, that is 11. Carry 1. Again, don't forget the decimal point always. So, 1 plus 5 plus 4, that is 10. So, therefore, the sum of example number 3 is 10.1512. So, that's how you add decimal numbers.